Is it recording?
It is recording.
Okay, these are my new fidgets. I got a marble and mesh, multiple of them. Then whatever these things are. Some pea pods.
This is neat.
A simple dimple.
A simple dimple.
Okay, then I got some monkey noodles.
Whoa. Stretchy.
Whoa. Then this ring thing.
What is it? Like. Huh. Let me see. Ooh. It's really hard. Oops.
Oh.
I dropped it. It's like a
Then
metal.
Then there, I got this bike chain.
Cool.
And then the poppets.
Pop it.
I got this portable poppet.
I guess you could put that on your book bag.
And then I got this large poppet.
Ooh, look how satisfying that is. Ooh.
And it's rainbow form.
You could almost make an ASMR for that with that.
Just watch the other side.
Listen to that. Ooh. Ah.
Stop it. Bye.